Hello everyone and welcome to my Jeffree Star Cosmetics tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can get your free discount code for Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Follow the instructions here and you will get your code. So first, just select the gift card size, press generate, and now it will start generating the free codes for the Jeffree Star Cosmetics. So the website is makegiftcard.com/JeffreeStar. So here you can just get your code. And now I'm just gonna copy my code and go back to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics to try it out. And let's just pick something into the shopping bag so we can try out the code. So I'm just gonna go here. And now I'm just gonna add this one to the cart. Let's click on the continent shopping. Then I'm just gonna take this one also. Let's go to the cart. And here let's proceed to the checkout. And now let's apply the code by pasting in the code and clicking the apply. And now the discount code has been applied. So that's it, and thanks everyone for watching my video.